Watercolor Fader not the same with the new PROCREATE update? Here's how to get it back. Go into Brush Settings, tap on the second brush, and in Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Uniform Glaze, and set Blending Flow to Max. Then in Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to 200%. Adjust Properties Brush Behavior Minimum Size for less variation in the fade size, and adjust Rendering Blending Flow value for more control over the fade stroke. Special thanks to Rassam Fanan for noticing this.